Good afternoon. It's 100 degrees down here. Heading up into those mountains there. See if we can get someplace a little bit cooler for night out in the wilderness.
It's early August in Southern California, and desert camping is out of the question. So we decide to head up into the San Bernardino National Forest to a place called Bear Creek, where we hope the temperatures are a little cooler and the creek might provide some much needed refreshment. This trip is also a shakedown trip for the Gladiator's new Alpha 2 rooftop tent.
Coming into Angeles Oaks here. We're at about 5,700 feet. It's dropped a little bit down to 90 degrees, much better than 107, but hoping to find a little cooler place as well. Finally made it off-road. Still 90 degrees, hoping it cools off. Car coming. Nice little creek down there.
After stopping to air down to make the ride a little bit smoother, we're back on the road. About a mile down the road, we had to pull over and wait for a crew of Ford Broncos to pass us. If you look closely, you'll notice one of which had to be towed home.
Did you see that little wall? I don't remember seeing that last time. I don't know if it's a cistern or a foundation.
Yeah, there used to be something here. Actually, not a terrible campsite. Don't see it.
This is beautiful back here. Wow.
We were almost to our camp spot, but we had to take a moment to admire this incredible view.
A little tight in here.
This isn't a challenging trail, but I wouldn't take it if you're afraid of a little pinstriping. After cooling off our rigs in the river, it was time to set up camp so we could cool off. After cooling off in Bear Creek, it was time for some dinner.
Right, Wes, what do you got there?
Little New York steak,
Wow.
cheese, and potatoes, fried potatoes, and Brussels sprouts.
Looks fantastic.
Can't wait.
Got a beautiful sound of the river out there in the background.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, wow. So what's this steak?
New York straight. It was aged 28 days. So you're 20 days.
Yeah, that's perfect. Wow. That's flavorful.
After making my coffee and packing up camp, it was time for us to get back on the trail.
Beautiful night last night. Out here at Bear Creek, just outside of Angeles Oaks. Temps dropped to about 80. Little breeze, very pleasant. Sound of the river flowing. Very, very enjoyable. Now back down to the 100 plus degree temps. And on to our next adventure. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you the next time we venture outside.